guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a thrifting vlog. Basically, it's going to be my guide to thrift shopping. I only have one other thrift shopping video up on my channel, and it was like such a long time ago. So it's definitely time to film another one for you guys. So that's what this is. My guide to thrifting. First step in my little guide should be pretty obvious. Get coffee, obviously. But since it's later in the day, Ethan and I are gonna go get some tea. Ethan's filming for me right now. Say hi, E.
Hi.
It's around like 4 o'clock, so don't really want coffee right now. I know, surprising. So we're gonna get tea or boba. Haven't really decided yet, but we are here at AU79 Tea Spirit. So yeah, that is first step on the list. So let's go get some freaking boba. Woo!
To go?
To go, please. Yum.
Yum.
I think I put apples in mine. Yum. Alright guys, now it's time to go thrifting. Okay, there you go. Turn right, then the destination is on your left. Can I get a grande guava white tea lemonade? I didn't like my tea. It was good.
No, you didn't like it.
Now we're ready. Alright guys, now we're here, but although we got a drink, can't really drink it inside because we're gonna need our hands, both our hands, for this task. So, drinking as much as I can. I'll put it in my car, and then we'll be back to it after we get all our goodies. So here we are. We're at Savers. This is one of my favorite thrift stores to shop at because one, they're very organized. They have everything in like men's section, men's jackets, men's sweatshirts, men's everything, and also in sizes, so it's very easy to look through. So second thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is what you wear when you're going thrifting. So if you guys can tell, this is my outfit today.
Cute.
That's it. Thank you. I mainly go for comfort because one, you're moving your arms a lot. It's honestly a workout. It gets hot and sweaty in there. That's why I'm wearing biker shorts and this tank top. I like to wear tank tops, so if I want to try on like jackets, hoodies, t-shirts, I gotta just throw them on over it. I don't have to like take the shirt off. Everything's breathable, comfortable, and shoes. I like to wear like worn-in shoes. That's why I always wear my Nikes because they're easy to like slip on and off. You know what I mean? Sometimes I like to wear slides, but really that like kind of grosses me out sometimes when like my bare feet are on floors. Don't really like that. So got socks on today. Number 3. This is 6. Number 3 is a little thing I like to call the men's section. Let's go! Always the men's section first. This is where I spend most of my time in the thrift store because this is where I find most of my items. So I like to split the men's section into 3 subsections: the tees, the outerwear, and then the jeans / sweatpants. I always start off with the tees, mainly the extra large tees, because of course, t-shirt dresses. You guys understand. Also, I can wear them with biker shorts, I can wear them with jeans, super cute, super comfortable. We all try to look for vintage tees, but really we never leave with vintage tees. We go for tees that are like, okay, this is kind of cute. I can make this work. That one, just, yeah. Looking at it now, wasn't a good choice.
Are you happy? You find anything good?
I found one shirt so far, but now we are going to a different section. Next, we are going to the outerwear section. I love this section. I love hoodies. I love jackets. I love coats. All of it. Give me all of it. So basically this is just outerwear. I know it's the summer and where I live it is way too hot to be wearing all this stuff, but you know, it's always good to have a hoodie or a jacket to wear at night. Now moving into men's jeans. I never look in the women's section for jeans. I always go for the men's section because I usually like to go for the straight leg baggy look, and also men's jeans are really good for DIYs as if you want to cut them and make them in shorts. There's a lot to work with men's jeans, as I don't really feel like there's a lot to work work with most women's jeans at the thrift store. And sweats are you always need sweats. We love the comfort, people. If you haven't learned this already, we love to be comf. And sweats are usually inexpensive, so I always go towards them. I was also looking in the shorts part of the men's section. I usually don't go to this part, but I picked up a couple pair of shorts to try on. And there we go. We got a couple items. A lot of items. Next, I was looking at men's blazers. I've been wanting one for a while, and I knew the thrift store was the place to go to for that. I was looking at a couple of them. I was really wanting like a nude or tannish color one, but black would also work as well. They've been super stylish, like a business casual look, and we love a business casual look. But of course, with blazers, it's kind of a hit or a miss because sometimes they don't fit right. And we don't like that. So you just kind of have to find the perfect one that you like, that works for you, and you do a little dance in it, and then you buy it. Yeah. Then, of course, Ethan had to be my stylist for a second, and he helped me pick out this one.
Ooh, that one looks cute. Yeah.
And I loved it, so we did a little dance. Again, oh God, don't do that. Now we are done with the men's section, so of course we have to move on to number 4 of my guide, which is the women's section. Yes, I really don't spend a lot of time in the women's section. I never really find a lot, but if I do, I look in a couple of sections. Number 1, I try to look for silky tops, dresses, and skirts. So first I start off with the nighttime/lingerie section because there you can find a lot of silky button-ups or those silky lacy tops. On this trip, I didn't find anything silky, so that was kind of a letdown, but it's okay. It's kind of a hit or a miss. So next is number 5. Always be aware of the sales that they have going on. Usually they'll have signs at the entrances, but sometimes they'll just announce them over the loudspeaker.
Good evening, favorite shoppers, and thanks for joining us on this wonderful friends and family sale. Enjoy 50% off clothing, shoes, bed and bath, and accessories. Thank you guys for choosing Savers Arcadia, and enjoy the rest of your day.
We love a good steal. We love a good deal.
Next part of the women's section that I will go to is the women's pants. Not jeans, but pants section. So this is where you can find cute pairs of trousers, different color pants, or in simpler words, staple pants. Sometimes you can find a good pair of plaid pants or cargo pants. I didn't really find anything this trip. I did find a cute pair of khaki pants, but they were too short on the bottoms. They're super cute, but didn't really work out for me. But it's okay. It's okay. They can't all be winners.
I've also really been into skirts recently, so I'm gonna look at the skirts right now. I don't know, I've just been feeling really girly. Don't know why, but yeah, let's check her out.
I never look in the skirt section, but I'm really glad I did this time, and honestly, now I'm going to be checking the skirt section when I go thrifting because they had some really cute skirts, if I do say so myself. I'm really sad I didn't grab that khaki skirt. It was super cute, and I'm kind of regretting it now. Number 5, or number 6, not really sure where I'm at, but the next place I'll look at is handbags. Never neglect the handbags. You're not always going to find a, expensive handbag, but you are going to find really cute vintage looking handbags. Right now, the ones that are super in are like the little tiny bags. You guys know what I mean. And here you can honestly find a lot of those. I like to just have a lot of different bags, so here's where I find a lot of them because they're cheap and they're cute, and we love that.
Now it's time to try everything on, so.
Honestly, I hate trying things on, but at the thrift store, it's a must. You have to. And it's honestly the scariest part because things that you thought were going to be super cute usually aren't cute. These pants, a hard pass. I will always try on everything in the store, even oversized t-shirts and hoodies, because you never know if you're not going to like the fit. Like this one, I was like, okay, I'm just going to buy it, whatever. But as soon as I put it on, I was like, okay, no, I just can't get over these blazers. I mean, they're beautiful. Wow, you guys. They're amazing. Love them. Yes. And after all that, we make our way to the register to buy all of our finds. This is honestly a pretty successful thrifting what? Thrifting trip. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with me? Okay, that's it for thrifting. I'll show you guys what I got. Okay, bye. Hello, welcome to the try on haul portion of today's video. I got a couple of items, so of course I have to show you guys what I got. And I seriously feel like I scored because everything was on sale. Everything was 50% off. So I got 5 items for $17 or $18. So that's pretty good if I do say so myself. And I love everything that I got. So let's just get right into this. So of course we had to get a men's tee. Love the men's tees. This is the one that I picked up. I thought it was kind of funny because it has all like the beers on the front, and then underneath it says decisions, decisions, decisions. It's a little oversized, not oversized enough to be like a t-shirt dress, but it's oversized enough to be like an oversized t-shirt to wear with jeans or short and cute pair of sneakers, something like that, you know, just for a little lounge look. And I love the tones, the gray, so yeah, picked that one up. That's the only t-shirt that I really found. Wasn't really feeling the other ones, but at least I found that one. So this t-shirt was $9, so it was on sale for $4.50. Next, I was in the sweats and like sweat shorts part of the men's section, and I've really been into like shorts that aren't jean shorts. Like the pair I showed you guys that I got in my day in my life vlog. Like those, you know, just something I could wear with like cute simple tops like this. So I grabbed a pair of basically basketball shorts, but I like these because they're not super long. Like I think they're probably for kids, but once I tried them on, they were at like a perfect length. That'd be just cute for like, you know, another lounge, like casual day, a cute little top, maybe a cute jacket, just something like that. I just thought they were super comfortable. I bought basketball shorts basically, but the shorts were $3.50, so I got them for $1.75. Why did that take me so long to figure out? Next, I went in the women's section and I was looking for skirts and dresses. Didn't really find any dresses that I liked. Didn't find any my size, so I went to the skirt section. Like I said before, I've been super into skirts recently. I was never a skirt girl. Recently, really been liking them. Especially these long type of skirts are really cute with a pair of sneakers. You guys get this already. I'm wearing them right now. I wear my Nikes with everything. It is just this red skirt, super flowy and cute, and it's not full length, which I like. I don't know, like it's just, I thought it was nice, you know, just a little something to have, another option to have. Super cute. This one was $7, so I got it for $3.50. Last two things that I got, this one is like my favorite find out of I think all of these. So I grabbed this. Oh, I freaking love it. I know it's so weird. It's like, I love a men's blazer, but like, I love it. Fits me perfectly. It's exactly the right fit I was looking for. Kind of oversized, but still like looked right on me. It wasn't too big. I like the little slits in the back, how they like, you know, open up a little bit. That was $10, so it was on sale for $5 freaking dollars. Wow. Last thing that I got, I went into the purse section. I've been looking for a little handbag, so I thought I would take a look over there, and I found this one that I think is just like perfect, literally. This is it right here. It is 9 West. I know I've heard of that brand before. Don't really know much about it though. So this was $5 on sale for $2.50. Guys, like, I can't beat these prices, seriously. Alright guys, that is everything that I got from the thrift store. I really hope you like my finds just as much as I do. At first, I really wasn't finding anything that I was liking, but you just have to look deeper. You have to get like inspo. You have to be like, okay, this will work with that. I can make an outfit out of this. So you just have to be creative with what you're looking for. And kind of think out of the box. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite piece was that I found. Let me know if you want more thrift shopping videos. I've been thinking I want to do like a thrift flip video where I show you guys like what I find at the thrift store and then what I do with them after to kind of like, you know, make them a little more unique, a little DIY, and just kind of like upscale them a little bit. So let me know what you guys think about that, if that is something you guys would want to see. But yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. What are you doing? Subscribe. It's right down there. Also, follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Why not? I am really self-promoting myself right now, but you know, who else is gonna do it? I gotta do it. There you go. go ahead. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!